Hello viewers, you are watching Extra Anime. Welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you how you can read the deleted messages from WhatsApp because it's a very amazing feature. You can delete the message for everyone from WhatsApp you sent just few minutes ago or 1 hour ago. So the receiver will not receive that message, just the displayed message. This message was deleted here at the place of the original message. So now I will tell you how you can read those deleted messages. So here I will send the message only hi. It's sent to my another mobile. Yes, you can see here the received message hi. Next I will delete this message. Delete for everyone. This message was deleted. You can see on another mobile this message was deleted. Now I will tell you how you can read these messages. Just go in your Play Store, move into the Play Store. Here, just search here notisave app. Notisave. I already installed this app, so you just need to open this app. I open this app. Here I will send a message here. Again the message hello. Hello. Okay, now I will delete this message again. Delete for everyone. This message has been deleted from WhatsApp. Okay, this message has been deleted from WhatsApp. You can see here clearly this message was deleted from WhatsApp. Now open notisave. Notisave app. Notisave app here. This is, but your notisave app hello saved in this app. Hello message has been saved here. So in this way you can read deleted messages from sender, and if you are a receiver you can easily read these messages. Hopefully you will like this video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you will never miss my any video. Stay blessed, keep watching. Thank you.